Hey everybody, I got another package from Lockerz. Here it is. It's really light. It's kind of simple. I got this because I wanted to get into the shop redemption, and what it is, it's I'll let you guys see. Seven. Trying to open it. Trying to open it. Shut up, Jasmine. Stop talking. Here's my confirmation that you get this all free. Lockerz. Lockerz. Little bubble wrap. And a pair of Dio headsets. Brand new. If you want an invite to Lockerz, all you can do is message me your email address and I'll just give you an invite. Just message me your email address and I'll see you right away. Thank you for watching my video about Lockerz. It's for free stuff. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.